What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And for this unboxing video, we have some side skirts. And these are replacement side skirts for the Chrysler 300 SRT fitting 2012 to 2023. And the VZ for them is vz102663. Now, for install, you should have a bag that's included with white clips inside. And these will slot inside notches on the side skirt itself. Now on the top edge here, there are clips which will snap in to the side of the body panel where your original side skirt was. And then on the bottom here is where the clips will actually go whenever you install them. And they're just little small white clips. And then they'll simply just snap into place like so. And you'll do that on both side skirts to install them. And of course, the side skirts are in our matte black look. And of course, you can sand and paint them. Just keep in mind, you may want to test what paints you use on them, because it is, of course, plastic, and some chemicals may harm the plastic. That's pretty much it for this video. If you want to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing and make sure you hit that like button and hit that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos just like this one.